In this demonstration, we will be discussing the Vonage Business Communications Platform tied directly into the Vonage Integration Platform. The Vonage Integration Platform is the component that allows you to pull your CRM or your other productivity suites directly into the Vonage Business Communications interface on the desktop app without having to have an external connector like the Vonage Integration Suite. Inside of the Vonage Business Communications interface, you'll notice on the left-hand side all of the familiar sections that you can navigate to. Under the My App section, any connectors that you've added through the administrative UI for Vonage Business Communications will now show up on the left-hand side. In this case, Salesforce, HubSpot, Google, Bullhorn, and Office 365. The purpose of this was to allow you to more quickly and effectively take notes, create cases, or calendar events based upon the connector that you're using. So let's take a look at what this looks like. When the call comes into the system, you'll now notice in the upper left-hand corner that there is a section for My Apps, which allows you to select which CRM or productivity suite you'd like to capture a note on. It should be noted, however, that if you do nothing but take the call, the system will still automatically record the task or note as you've got it programmed in the admin UI for Vonage Integration Suite. So in this case, if I want to look at Salesforce and I want to create a task, it will automatically pop up my template, and I can capture any additional information that I want to during the course of this call. And I can simply mark it as a test and hit create. This will store the note in the Vonage Integration Platform servers, but it will also display inside of the Vonage Business Communications desktop app, rather than having to go into a separate connector like Google Chrome. It should also be noted that the auto capture will work even if you're using your mobile app for Vonage Business Communications. So now that I'm done, let me go ahead and end the call and go into my calling section. You'll see now that in my call history, I now have, in addition to their contact information, all of the CRM and productivity suites that I'm connected to up across the top right. By clicking on any of these, you can see the notes or tasks that have been captured in each of the productivity suites and CRMs individually. However, if I want to see a larger scale note-taking capability, I can go to the left-hand side and simply click on the actual connector name, and it will show me all of the history. This history can be filtered by case, task, or date, and depending upon the suite that you're using, those filters will change. We hope that you've enjoyed this brief demonstration of the Vonage Integration Platform built into the Vonage Business Communications desktop app.